What can you expect from the court process? The way it works in Oregon is you have 2 years from the date of the injury to either have your issue resolved or file a complaint with the court. The process is the treatment phase, the record retrieval phase, the demand phase, the negotiation phase. At that point, we get to the resolution phase. If we are unable to get to the resolution, then we would go into the court process. So, in short, the claim, depending upon the facts of your issue, can last anywhere from 6 months to 2 to 3 years. Well, the court process is down the way. What does that mean? You treat until you're as good as you're going to get. And once that process is complete, you're at 100% back to normal. So the primary consideration is how long was that treatment process? That will determine how long the process lasts. We try to get most of them resolved in the first 2 years. So let's say, for instance, you come in, there's a year treatment process, 6 months of negotiations, and then you're probably looking at, on average, 9 months to a year before it's resolved. So it's a hard question to answer because no two cases are identical, but every case is going to be different based on your set of circumstances and the facts of your situation.